Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, children. So, today what we are learning is we are learning the second lesson, right? The little raindrops. What do we think? Parents do not allow children to get wet and play in the rains. Can you tell me? Why parents do not allow the children to wet in the rain? Let's see, okay? Before the lesson starts, let's watch the
Little Raindrops.
Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter down the window pane.
So, the girl is asking, "Oh rain, where do you come from? Your little drops pitter patter down the window plate." Right? So इसका मतलब है, ए बारिश तुम किधर से आते हो? And the drops, right? What अगर अब जब हम बारिश होती है हमारे विंडो साइड बैठते हैं हम, तो you will find a little drops, right? आपको दिखते हैं कैसे ड्रॉप्स के फ्लो में रेन हो रही. That is pitter patter in a flowing way, okay? Down the window pane. They won't let me
walk, and they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors at all today.
While it's raining, we won't walk. जब बारिश होती है हम घर से बाहर नहीं निकल सकते, घर के बाहर खेल नहीं सकते, पेरेंट्स हमें घर के बाहर जाने नहीं देते, दरवाजे बंद कर देते, पूरे घर से निकलने ही नहीं देते किसी भी हालत में. Because if we go out, we may fall, we may get wet, we may get some, what we can say, cold, cough and all like that, okay? So the parents are imitating that the children should not go out of the houses while it was raining, okay? So let's go
Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play?
Pitter patter all the rainy days, right? So tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Pitter patter all the rainy days. So the girl is asking to the rain that how the manner you have been flowing from this way, right? From the droplets, the little droplets. So that is the way you flow in that manner. Pitter patter all the rainy days, right? So let's go for the next page.
They say I'm very naughty, but got nothing else to do. But I sit here at the window, I should like to play with you. The little
So they say I'm very naughty. The parents always say the children are very naughty, right? So but I nothing else to do. I don't have any work to do. But sit here at the window, I should like to play with you. In sitting in between the windows or near the windows, I like to play with you. To whom? With the rain. Okay?
raindrops cannot speak, but pitter pat means we can play on this side. Why can't you play on that?
So, with the rain we cannot play, right? I should like to play with you, but the little raindrops cannot speak. The raindrops cannot speak, but it flow in a droplets. That is pitter pat, right? Means that we can play on this side. Why can't you play on that? So हम ये विंडो के ये साइड हम प्ले कर सकते हैं, तो तुम विंडो के बाहर क्यों नहीं खेल सकते, right? So before this, let's watch the animation of this video.
Little Raindrops.
Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter down the window pane. They won't let me walk, and they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors at all today. Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Pitter patter all the rainy day. They say I'm very naughty, but got nothing else to do. but I sit here at the window. I should like to